Welcome back, shoemakers. Today let's talk about making your own crimping boards. So you want to make a Chelsea boot. You've seen our videos on how that is done, but you've not made one for yourself yet because you don't have this fancy shine Oyibo made crimping board.
God have mercy upon us.
Well, today I've traced out my own crimping board on a piece of paper, and I'm going to be showing you the dimensions so that you can either make one for yourself or take it to a woodworker, a carpenter, and have him to make it for you. So as you can see, the base is about 43 to 44 cm in length, and then the height is about 24 to 25 cm. That point up there is about 11.5 cm, and if you draw a perpendicular line from that top part area downward like that, the area that has the curve is between 13 cm and 7 cm. Now from the middle of the baseline, if you draw a perpendicular line to the point where it touches the top of the vamp area, if you draw a perpendicular line from that point going inwards, it gives you a reference point from which, if you use a protractor to measure the angle, you would find that the angle it makes is about 82 degrees. So 82 degrees inclining downward. Now the point where it takes a sharp turn downward, it's about from, I think, around the 39 cm point on the baseline. I really didn't bother measuring the angle to which it depresses, but that part is really not very worrisome. So 82 degrees from that point. Then if we also measure the angle of depression from the top area there, you would find that that's about 12 degrees. So if you add that to the 90 degrees that you had previously, you see that that gives you about 102 degrees. So basically these are the dimensions. Remember, we said the height 24 to 25 cm, the base 43 to 44 cm, 82 degrees from there. Now, of course, I appreciate that many of us skipped technical drawing in secondary school, which is why I have gone ahead to create a PDF pattern free of charge that you can download. So if you stick around to the end of this video, you get a link to download the pattern. That pattern you can print out and either give it to a carpenter to use in making one for you, or you can actually use it in making one for yourself. So you just place the pattern on a wooden plank and use it. So the pattern comes in 2 A4 sheets. One you print out in portrait form and the other you print out in landscape. So basically all that I have done is to take this pattern and trace it upon 2 A4 sheets that were joined in an L shape, like so. So let's put the A4, so just like this. So the A4 sheets are put in an L shape like so, and then I traced the crimping board pattern on top of it, so that if you print it at 100%, now this is very important, you must print the pattern at 100%. If you do print it at 100%, then you will be able to recreate the pattern. You'll be able to recreate exactly the pattern of my own crimping board. So if you like some of the results that I have gotten out of my Chelsea boots, they were made on this crimping board. So basically I trace out the crimping board pattern on top of the joined, the L joined A4 papers, and then having traced it out, I'll just cut it along the joint where they were joined together, such that if we print the one on the left hand side as a portrait and the one on the right hand side as landscape, you are able to join them together and print it out. So that's what I wanted to show you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Till I see you next time. God bless you.